Hello, my name is Tom Flax, and this is my AEP 859 introduction video. A couple interesting facts about me, Tom Flax, is I'm the youngest of 10 children. All my brothers and sisters graduated from the same high school, TMP Marion, in Hays, Kansas. All 10 of us have also graduated from a four-year college. Um, My wife and I have 5 children of our own. We have the most children in my family. Um, my kids are named Ryan, Jet, Ty, Tegan, and Amory. So the four oldest are boys, and the lucky number 5, Amory, just happens to be a girl. So she's got her work cut out for her, excuse me. And my wife and I are busy all the time. My professional life, I've been an educator for 15 plus years. I've worked in three different school districts. Currently, working in or teaching in Harrington. I teach weights and conditioning class, 2 of those, and I also teach an MTSS class as well. I'm the athletic director for the middle school and high school, and I'm the head teacher at the middle school, and also along with that, I am also the head football coach at the high school. So, plate's pretty full on the professional end as well. Professional goals, pretty, short-term goals. Obviously, I want to get my building leadership, degree, and I want to pass the building leadership praxis test. Once that's completed, then I can look at some long-term things. I'd like to find an administration position, and if that position's here in Harrington, that's awesome. But my wife travels about an hour to work every day and an hour home. So, if possible too, would like to find a position that would be closer to her job, whether that be a principal, athletic director, or assistant principal position. So I'd really enjoy my athletic director duties. I'm, a sports geek, can watch any sports, do any of those things. So I really like being involved with the athletic end of things, but we'll take whatever comes. Okay, what I hope to learn, what I want to learn is more about what I need to do to help prepare students for the next step in their lives. Our school's it will be going through a redesign process. So, I just want to have some ideas of what can be done on the curriculum side of things to make things, more beneficial for them and prepare them for the next steps in their lives. All right, look forward to hearing from all of you and learning from everybody. Talk to you later. Bye.